Racing just is started. We have less sim break quickly at a start. Moving up on the outside is out of time in the middle portions with Julian. Superstitious is down on the inside. The next online is Magic Mysteries. Then followed by Wolfram. Down on the inside is Executive Order. The next online is Super Cup Wild Lord of the Sun is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back we have Superstitious by about 2 lengths. Last Sim in second, and into the outside Sweet Julian out of time joining them. Then next on line is Executive Order, and then next on line now is entry number 8, and this one is Magic Mysteries. Back to the leader we have Last Sim now takes command by about half length. Sweet Julian is on the outside. Superstitious out of time is racing in fourth. Then comes Magic Mysteries, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Last Sim by about 3/4 of a length lead. Sweet Julian in second. Out of time is racing in third. On the outside, Superstitious is down on the inside fourth. And as they swing for home, Last Sim by out ahead. Sweet Julian moving up on the outside. Then here comes Super Cup. A long shot, last 100 meters. Sweet Julian followed now by Super Cup on the outside. Last Sim. And finally it's going to be Sweet Julian, Super Cup. And then comes Last Sim, Lord of the Sun, Superstitious, and Art of Time.
Just followed the pace and then went on to win this race. Itong si Sweet Julian, ridden by Mark Alvarez.